What's up, everybody? What's going on? Give me a couple minutes. Let me share that we're live doing the watch list for tomorrow, and I'll be right with you guys. All right, what's up, But what was I gonna say? What is up, baby? Was I gonna say what's up, baby? That's weird. So what's up, everybody? Not baby. What's up, Todd? How's it going on, man? All right, so let's take a look here and look at the good old futures. And it is retesting support and falling through, kind of touching off the 20 EMA right now. So we'll watch and see if it can get a bounce and continue, or if it's going to roll over, go through the whole process, and then maybe now keep a new symmetrical triangle happening. Who the heck knows? Gotta watch and see. Now I got to keep an eye on this area up over in here. So now it might have a new symmetrical triangle. So let me just remove that trend line. So it might have a new thing going on here. Again, now you have kind of a double top, right? Top up here, top right here. So right now it's kind of a double top pattern. So we got to watch and see if this thing's going to stay in this good old silly symmetrical triangle. All right, so let's keep an eye, or let's see what's going to happen for the watch list tomorrow. Not a lot on the bullish scan, so we shall take a look and see. And look, SSLJ did what I had said, went up and it filled that gap. What did it do? Rejected. Right at $3, fell right back down. Filled the gap, drop right back down. Now you have this kind of high wave, long-legged candle here. Sold off. So I'm not putting that one on the watch list. ABIO. This one we will put on the watch list. You can see another one in the gap. Right around that 96 area. Let's do this. Or near a gap. So the base of a gap is right around that 96 cents all the way up to $1.57-ish area. So it's broaching the gap. Kind of have a double bottom. Bottom here, bottom here. So double bottom pattern. So let's do this. Double bottom on daily. Watch if price can get above 98 cents and go up and fill the gap around $1.57. So that one's a mouthful, but again, double bottom. So big bottom here, right in the middle here, needs to get above 87 cents. Then above that 200 SMA, right around that 97 cents, and then possibly to go up into that gap around $1.57. ABIO. Looks like this might be a 5-cent spread stock. And yes, it is. I do not like these. You can tell by the looks of these weird candles. When you see those almost manipulated looking candles, that's when it's usually my tell sign if it's a 5-cent spread stock. So, this one you can see a gap right around that 668 area. So this one let's do this. Watch for potential continuation and see if gap fills around 668-ish. So watch for potential continuation, see if it can go up and fill that gap around 668, HZN. All right, let's take a look at Tate. So we might put Tate on there for maybe a little bit more continuation. You can see right around that. I want to see it get above that 233 and then up to that 289 marker, also 250s. Might have another possible run in it. Let's see here. So watch for possible continuation day and see if price can get above 233 with resistance up to 289 area. So again, this whole candle wick would be resistance if it can get above this 233 area. So TAIT. What's up, Kurt? How's it going? This one might be setting up. I'd look for a dollar resistance. This might be doing an ascending triangle break right here. Let's see. It might be setting up for a possible pump. So I would do this. Let's do. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I definitely put a dollar resistance up to $1.22 right up here. So watch for potential pump up with resistance between $1 to 122 ISR over here. All right, so Kurt says, you guys deserve more recognition. That's really nice, dude. Thank you. Which of your series is best to watch to start learning about day trading? Good question. If you go over to our website here, we have a free courses section. There's a few $1,000s worth of free courses. We have a basic day trading course here, and then an advanced day trading course here. So I'd start here and then go here. If you're very new about trading and you're not really sure about the basics of stocks, you can take our stock trading course first. And I'd also recommend candlesticks. So it's all intertwined, right? So if you need to know about candlesticks, it kind of like you got to take it all in conjunction, right? Candlesticks really are the most important line of defense with any type of trading. So I would take our, if you're really new, take our basic course, then our day trading course, then our advanced course, and then also in conjunction with our candlesticks. Again, all free courses. Akintoye says, I'm a member and don't get alerts. Well, first of all, if you are a free member, you won't get alerts. If you're a paid member, then you have to manually input them. There's no way, these alerts that you guys see here, there's no way to import these into a brokerage account. That's why we make these videos, explains how to input these alerts. You got to take 5-10 minutes a night and just upload them into whatever your broker is, whoever it is. Kron, let me take a look. Yikes, not looking so hot at the moment. Are you looking for a short on Kron, Todd? Not looking so hot at the moment. Possible dip buy, maybe. You gotta get some. Gotta see if support holds around that 550s area right down here. Otherwise, look out. Not looking so hot. So right here, you can see this red line here? That's showing you kind of a descending triangle. You want to see that thing hold support here around 550. So maybe watch for buyers to come in around there. Otherwise, look out. I wouldn't say a swing yet. You got to see a reversal setup. Right now, it's in a descending triangle. Watch if the buyers come in down here. But remember, it's in kind of a descending triangle. So it's looking bearish at the moment. Akintoya says, I am a member. Do I get a link showing alert setups too? We email out the alerts every night. Make sure you check your email. We send out the trade alerts each night. So we email them out to you. You should get a picture with the alerts. And then all you have to do, if you're wondering how our trade alerts work, very simply go to our website, go to bullishbears.com, click on our alerts page right here. This will explain to you A to Z, excuse me, how our trade alerts work. This will tell you exactly what you need to do. Right here, read this alerts page and that'll help you. What is your daily profit goal and target? That's really different for everybody, right? So it's really a matter of what your preference is. My goal shouldn't be your goal, shouldn't be Dan's goal. Everybody, it's all depending on what your brokerage account is, what your bills are. As far as what I'm looking to make on each trade, I'm more of a kind of smaller scalper, 10, 15 cents. I'm not trying to hit home runs. So if you're talking what I'm trying to make on a day trade, 10, 15 cents, I'm more of a medium to higher float stock guy. Dan's more of a low float stock. I might be in a stock for a couple minutes or a few minutes. Dan might be in for 10, 15, 20 seconds, right? All right, so let me see what else we got here. ISR, OGEN, nope. AMDA, nope. This one has kind of a cup and handle. So cup, kind of a handle, pull back here. Let's see that $1.70 range. See some resistance at the top of this cup. See if this can go and break out above 170. And then there is that daily gap right between that 187 to 218 range. which is right at that 200 SMA. So you have a pattern, a cup and a handle. I'd like to see that. So watch this. Where's this one? All right. So cup and handle. Watch if price can break out and fill gap between 187 to 218 area. So again, find a pattern right here, watch for it to break out, go up and see right here, daily gap, see if it can go up and fill that gap. The gap fill right there, if you do that line across, is right at that 200 SMA. No coincidence. PAVM. Did you see AWX dump today? That was, did you guys see our meme earlier? Our meme basically said that was going to happen. Let's take a look. AWX. Oh, guys, I'm sorry to laugh because some people are taking a... somebody's getting screwed up here, right? But, guys, this is... I mean, come on. This is awful. This happens all the time. Pump and dump. That's what we said in the beginning of the pre-mark. Don't even bother looking at this thing. This thing, once it broke $10, like, unless you're trying to scalp it really quick, you got to be careful, man. You're going to get caught in halts. You have a small brokerage account. You're trying to buy in at $12, $15, halting every few minutes. I didn't even look. I could just assume that it was halting. I think I saw it halted a little bit earlier today. It's just a pump, and then it takes a big dump, right? It's trapping all you newbies up here. Any newbie listening to this, this is where you're getting suckered in right here. Probably another HMY, pump and dump. Again, pumped up, dumped. The moment it gets up to these ranges, I don't trade it over $10, you know? It's just too risky. You gotta be super quick. So it doesn't surprise me this thing got dumped. Again, we posted earlier today this thing was going to dump. Look at our, you can see. Go up to our fan page right over here today. You'll see Bullish Bears Trading. And why is Facebook taking so long? Right here, AWX, words of wisdom for the genie today. I see AWX playing out like HMNY. My advice is do not become a bag holder. That was posted 7 hours ago. 4 hours divided by 7. What time was that? Was that 9 o'clock? 9:30 or so? Told you guys this was going to happen. Why? It's just so predictable. Pump and dump. It said don't become a bag holder like HMNY. Why did we say that? Because if you guys are following us, HMNY, MNY, right here, don't become a bag holder. Same thing, FU pattern right here. Put your knuckles under here, give yourself a middle finger. This is saying FU, let's take your money. And that's what it did. Look at it. You know how many people, it wasn't at 9,000 bucks. I don't even know what it was. 30 bucks, 100 bucks, something ridiculous. Big FU pattern. Take all your money, take all your newbies' money right here. Let's pump up a stock, dump it on you, and there you guys are, right? Here's all your life savings. Put your 30 grand in here, and now it's worth 780 bucks. You know? Bunch of garbage. AWX, predictable. This thing was going to do the same thing. Pumped up perfectly. Complete dump. When a stock goes from 2 or 3 bucks up to 20 bucks, it's going to dump. It has to. This is a terrible pattern. This thing is probably going to fall even more, too. That's a bearish and golfing pattern. Not looking good. All right. So how do you know which stocks to trade each day? We do a watch list each night. So we send this watch list out. We do a day trade watch list and a potential swing trade watch list, or a swing trade watch list. I'll be working on that one next after I finish this day trade one. And again, these are the daily watch lists that we do. We also do a swing trade one. And again, stocks that hold their highs in the day or holding their lows. And then for potential continuation up or continuation down. Again, if you're new, Kurt, I highly recommend take our courses. You know, so if you're new, I wish I could. I'm saying it so effortlessly, but there's so much that goes into it, right? So that's why I'd recommend, again, if you're newer, take our courses. Again, they're free. We're not charging you for them. So just go on our website, take our courses. There's a lot to learn. Again, I'll probably keep you busy for a few months, but it'll save you thousands of dollars, you know. So, you know, again, if you want to know how we build our watch list, you can read about right up here, our alerts and our watch list right here. These pages will explain it. And then take our courses. I make it look so effortless, but it's not. It takes months. It takes months to become a good trader, if not longer. I wish there was an easier answer. Any books you recommend on trading psychology? Yes. If you go to our website again here, and you just type in right down under, actually, just go right here to our search bar and just type in probably books. And you'll see stock market books for beginners. This article right here will tell you all the books that we recommend right up in here. So just type in books on our website. Link is below. Go right to search, type in books, and those will be yeah, a Kintoya, yeah. It's a pump and dump. There was no news. It pumped up on news, suckered in a bunch of newbies, and blowing up their brokerage accounts. Guys, remember, the gurus are not buying up here. They're not buying up here, guys. This is just, oh, that's awful. All right, so enough with AWX. Let's see if there's another one, other ones here. CVSI had that cup and handle. Did break out a little bit over $3. Now I'd want to see. It's still got a cup and handle. I don't know if I like it as much right now. Ah. Huh. Here we go. Let's see. So this is kind of a messier kind of cup and handle. I want to see. Let's take a look at the hourly. I want to see if this can go up. You can see some resistance at the 860s level right up in here. And 850 to 860. So see if this can go and continue and get above that 860 level. Again, had a huge green day here today, so let's do this. Watch if price can break above angular resistance and with resistance between 850 to 860-ish. I'll just do it this way. Watch if price can break above resistance between 850 to 860-ish, right up in here. PGNX. Jonathan, nice. Thank you, Lucian. Once again, can't thank y'all enough. Keep doing what you guys are doing. Much appreciated. You are welcome. Kurt, gonna start watching them right now. I started watching you guys' playlist on YouTube, Stock Market Community. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, guys, I wish there was an easier way, right? I mean, the fact of the matter is, guys, you know, Again, you guys know the industry works. I don't know how to tell you. Everybody wants you to spend thousands on their courses, hundreds a month on their memberships, and many times they don't. It's easy to say, hey guys, trading's hard, buy everything. Same time, you got to like take the time and realize that, guys, trading is really hard. It's really hard. It takes a long time to learn. We try to make it affordable for everybody. Again, we're going to be raising our monthly membership rates in a few weeks. Again, still going to be very affordable overall. We're still going to have our courses for free. But we try to make it affordable, for people that are learning, because trading takes a long time. So that's why we have a community for support and all that good stuff, to try to help people. Akintoya Lucian, what do you do about dip buying morning panics? That's another great strategy when a stock is selling off. We do show reversals. We do have in our courses videos on how to do dip buying. It's definitely a good strategy, especially if you can't short or your broker doesn't allow you for short availability. We definitely are huge fans of dip buying. So that's why you'll see I have a morning scan bearish thing down here as well. So I have I'll do a morning scan bullish and then a morning scan bearish for ones that are selling off. So yeah, we're huge fans of dip buying. Oh yeah, huge shout out. Kurt says, have you heard of Garen Phillips? That's how I heard of you. Yeah, that dude's awesome, man. We don't know of him, but he gave us a shout out in his video and we're super appreciative. So if you talk to him, let him know we're super appreciative of him, because that was really cool of him to do that. So yeah, a lot of people come over from him and we're super appreciative. So tell him thank you if you are in touch with him, because we do appreciate that. CHS. Man, we just need these midterms to be over with, man. We need to get some direction in this market. This symmetrical triangle is just so grueling. You get 1 or 2 days are good, and then you just play this yo-yo effect. Need these midterms to be over with, all that indecision. Makes it frustrating trying to do watch lists for you guys, because you get 2 or 3 days a week that are good, and the rest of the days it's just ugh. But if the stocks aren't there to trade, you don't trade. So this one right here, MBRV, you can see there's a gap right here, right around that 309. Price is in the gap right now, so see if it can continue above that 275 with resistance around 304. Let's put that one on to watch. Price in gap, watch for potential continuation with possible gap fill around 309. NBRV. Oh, Sigger says, I watched this 2-hour-long monthly recap, and he mentioned bullish bears. Every time I see BB, I think of Best Buy. Bullish bears has a good place to learn. Dude, that's super cool. We got to reach out to him and thank you. What is your best strategy with high odds winning percentage? That's a very loaded question, right? That's a very, very difficult question, depending what type of your trader you are, and we're all different traders. Me personally, I'm more of a medium to higher float stock guy. I like having tight stop losses around 10 cents or less. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the super low float, crazy pump and dumps. Dan is, right? So Dan is as well. Dan is into the low float stocks. We both like having tight stop losses. Again, stop loss. That's the whole. Whatever your strategy is, make sure you have good, proper risk management. 2-to-1 profit loss ratio. Tight stops. You know, don't get greedy. It's kind of like across the board, whether you're doing long-term trading, short-term trading. You know, if you're risking 10 cents, have the ability to make 20. If you're risking 50, have the ability to make $1. If you're risking $1, have the ability to make $2. If the trade goes against you, cut your losses. Don't let them get worse. You know, don't turn a day trade into a swing trade to hold. You know, like kind of like if you're trading a low float pump and dump stock and it goes against you, don't try to turn it into a swing trade if it's dumping on you. Cut your losses. Like those types of things. So there's really not, again, because no one can predict what a stock's going to do. Right? We don't know what the market's going to do. You trade in probabilities, you trade in patterns. That's why risk management is so critical. So that's why there's not really like, you know, the best way to do it, because everybody's different. You know, whatever strategy, you can have great odds trading low floaters, you can have great odds trading high floaters, small caps, high cap stocks. You just have to pick your strategy and you know, make sure you execute it. Get in as close to support and close to the moving average lines as possible. Make sure the pattern's right. Make sure you have a good daily setup, a good 5-minute intraday setup, and then look at your entries on a 1 minute. You know, it's kind of a lot of those things. I know it's a lot to kind of throw out there, but Richard, not sure. Unfortunately, with Thinkorswim, man, like, let's see, I cannot. I'm not using Active Trader anymore much myself. That's why I make those videos. I make a lot of my videos because then I don't end up using it anymore, and then I go back and watch my own videos. So I wish I could be more help of Active Trader, but Thinkorswim's got, or TD's got awesome customer service. Unfortunately, you probably have to give them a call. You don't have to pay the paper trading. Sometimes you might have to put $50 in it. I gotta zoom. Sorry guys, I gotta try to get this watch list done. I'll answer as many questions as I can for you guys, but I have a massage tonight I gotta get to. I know, poor me, right? Got an 1.5-hour massage, and I gotta get going on this. I still got to do the swing trade watch list. So this one right here, between 6 to 620 is resistance. Let's see. I'll say about 620. $6 to 620 resistance right here. Want to see it get above that 200 SMA. So watch for potential continuation with resistance between 6 to 620 RRD. There we go. Aha. This one may be setting up right here. Kind of got a cup and handle. Where is that? 913 Office Depot. 888 to 913. This one may be setting up. Kind of a cup pattern. Watch for potential continuation with resistance at 888 and around 913 as well. 13. Let's see. So I want to get above that 888, and then on the daily 913 going back right over at the top of this wick over here. Right around there. Bam. Depot. Office Depot. DEPO. Pump one up today, like we had said, right up to the top here, right here in the double bottom. Bottom here, right up to 1671. Pull back a little bit. Not sure I'm going to put that one on for tomorrow. Now I was looking at Bitcoin. All right, so that's the daily watch list for tomorrow. Let me try to fit in this swing trade one into the video. I got about 15-20 minutes, so let's see if I can bang this one out here. Let's see how I did on my swing trades today. Did I do good on my swing trades? At or above 2660 CTB. All right, 1 for 1, Lucian. 2660. Right up here. 2660 up to 28.95. That's $29. 2660. It's $2.40. Could have made on one swing trade. Let's see. SU at or above 41.98. $41.98 up to 42.52. So what is that, about 54-cent move? Not bad. Don't like it right now. That evening star would concern me. So again, that's where you got to be careful with these swing trades, man. Sometimes these swing trades are going to be turning into a day trade or very short term. This market's very volatile. So again, see, you know, yeah, I'd still take 50 cents all day long on a swing trade. But CT, whatever, CT, what was that, U or B or whatever the heck that was, $2.40. What else did I do today? GIS at or above 44.98. And there we go. At above 44.98. 45.99. There you go. $1, $2.40, and a 50-cent move. You're welcome. $10 a month. Not so bad. 3 for 3 today. 50-cent move, dollar move, $2.40. That pays for your membership for the year. All right. Speaking of which, let's see what we can do if there's any ones to put on for tomorrow. And don't like it. Moving average lines crossing on the daily. Let's look at spreads. See, I don't like this. I go over here. There's nothing on the options chain, so I'm just not even looking at it. FTI. Nope. Don't like it. Don't like it. So I'm looking for, on swing trades, I'm looking for good patterns. I'm looking for high open interest, tight bid-ask spread. So good pattern, tight bid-ask spread, high open interest. Those are the things I'm looking for. So if I don't kind of get those, I try not to put them on the watch list for you guys. And when the market's getting crazy like this, it's, again, we're getting like 2 days a week really good, 1 or 2 and then I don't know, like a couple that are just garbage days, right? So it's just very difficult. Like, look, I'm breezing through here. I just can't find anything good because the market goes up and it just like does it. It just kind of just gets frustrating. It goes up and it pulls right back down. So it's hard, especially doing these swing trades, to get something longer term. You're getting in a day, sometimes 2 days, and you're out. Don't like the pattern. Not liking these. No. Sky Dreams, are you trolling me or who are you referring to? Has anyone seen him make a trade, or does he only make on hypothetical on YouTube? Guys, very simple. If you're worried about what we're trading or whatever, don't pay us. Very simple. You know, if you guys are worried about what we're making or trading or not trading, don't join us. Very simple. MRO, TKR. If you're referring to somebody else, I apologize, but if you're trolling, keep being you. Garbage. All right, so I don't like these. Let me see on the Dow. Maybe I'll do a reversal scanner or whatever here. I didn't hear you. You typed it. MRK. I don't know if I like that one. Nope. Guys, I'm not finding much of anything today. Again, market pulling back like this. We may have to look on the bearish side of things. Sky, are you following us at all, dude? Like, I don't know if you're a guy or a girl, but like, do you follow us whatsoever? If you don't, again, Dan, Dan booted. Hey, dude. Thanks, Dan. I mean, I was just gonna entertain and whatever. It's a troll. Guys, very simply, it's just whatever. I don't know why I entertain trolls. I just do. And this is a bunch of garbage. You got kind of a double top on Home Depot. So a top and a top. This might be a possible put side in Home Depot. Let's see. Let's look at the hourly. This one's got some room to... Let's see, when's Home Depot's earnings? On or before August 14th. It's feeling the moving average lines. You got kind of a possible double top right here. You can see a top. Kind of a double top area. This one, you know, if these moving average lines fail, this one might be a possible put on Home Depot. Let's see, on the right down to that 192. I might set up, although that's looking like it might. This might be a star pattern for a reversal as well. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah. Guys, it's very simple if you're listening to this. If you guys care what's in our brokerage account, what we're making, if we're trading, who cares? There's sometimes we trade, sometimes we don't, right? Who cares? What's that going to do? If we make $1,000 today, or if I lose $1,000, what does that mean to you? You know? If I never trade at all, who cares? You know? If you don't like that, go pay somebody else that trades, and we'll take a couple $100 a month and take thousands of your dollars of your money. It's that simple. You know, like if somebody's really concerned about that, go pay somebody else. We don't care. It's just like people are just, again, that guy just annoyed me, or guy or girl, whoever the hell it was. I don't know. But just, who cares, you know? If you don't like us, don't pay us. Right? That's simple. This one might be doing a reversal. Intel, kind of selling off here on the daily. Got a long-legged doji. I don't really like that, but it's possibly doing a reversal setup here. Maybe if it can get above that $48 level, might have some room up to that $49.50 maybe, again on the daily. Let's see, when is Intel's dividend on 6? So maybe possible reversal setup on Intel, and you can see some 48.80s marker. Really, again, I'm not seeing much of anything I like, but you know, possible reversal setting up. I just don't like this. Not loving that setup. Dan, what do you think? What do you think of Intel? Should I put that one on there? I'm looking at the reversal. It's just I don't know if I like this trap setup in between here. Tell me what you think of Intel if you're listening. I'm going to look at some of these other ones right now. See, Disney's got a cup and handle. The chart's just a freaking mess, but it kind of has a cup and handle thing going on here. So it has a cup and handle. I don't like the crazy choppiness. It's kind of holding. Let's see on the weekly. Ooh, this might be double bottoming on the weekly though. This one might be prime for a breakout. Look on the weekly. Bottom, bottom. I like this bottom pattern better. When you go to the, let's see if it can get breakout above that 116-ish area. Maybe setting up for, kind of has a cup and handle. Might be setting up. That one's intriguing to me. So let's do this. What am I going to say here? Cup and handle on daily, double bottom on weekly. Watch for possible breakout above $116 area. Disney. Be careful because of earnings. Yeah, I don't either. Double bottom right here on, so you can see cup, kind of a handle. It's real choppy, but you can see kind of a cup and handle. But if you go to the weekly chart right here, bottom right here, bottom right here. Really nice double bottom. And it's hovering right across here on that 113 area. If this can go and break out, this might have some room to run if it can break out above that 116. I really like the double bottom. The weekly chart, very choppy. It's a bit messy. But it's definitely one to, it's kind of intriguing. Disney. XOM, nope. Not digging Procter & Gamble. Apple, no. Waste management. That might be... Let's see. This one might be setting up for a put. Kind of a double top right here. Top, top. See some support around 88 bucks. Let's take a look at the hourly. Might be rolling over. This one might be starting to roll over. If 88 fails, possible support around 86.50 is possible, sending up for a possible put rolling over. What do you think of Dan, what do you think of waste management for a put? I'm going to put that one on there for right now. Kind of a bearish harami as well. So 88 at or below 88.87. Double top and bearish harami on daily watch or possible put with support around 88 and 86.20 area. Waste management, WM, CGC, Lebu, let me see, CGC. Don't like the pattern on CGC. LABU, BU. This one's failing. Might get a bounce right now. I'm just not digging the pattern either way on this one right now. Gotta watch if the buyers come in. This one, buyers might come in and push it up. Let's see on the hourly. Yeah, I'm not digging that one so much. Waste management. See if I can try and find one more for you guys, and then I gotta wrap it up. I like to get clearly defined patterns and give you guys some room to run either way, whether I'm going bullish or bearish. I'd be aware of Facebook, the buyers coming in at some point. Again, it's taking a beating, but watch right around these areas right here. Watch for possible buyers to come in. It's just so difficult to trade that one right now. BA, Boeing might be double top failing. Or a cup and handle. Let's take a look at the hourly. I don't like it right now. Yo boy, Netflix. Ouch. Not so hot. All right, guys. I'm just gonna go kind of on the safer route for two that look possibly decent right now. Again, the market's just, you know, it's just. Let me go back over to here. I mean, this is what we're dealing with right now, guys. Futures right here. Goes, breaks out of a symmetrical triangle, and now we got to do a new symmetrical triangle, possibly. So now it's trapped up smack in the middle of the moving average lines. So, you know, again, you got to watch if it falls to the 2760s area, if it's going to trade around, if it's going to bounce up. Again, it's just doing this yo-yo effect right here. Probably, who the heck knows, probably until the midterms, right? You got to watch and see. You're welcome. All right, guys, so I got to Zoom or go or whatever you want to call it. Got to get ready in the next 20 minutes or so. Got a massage. Got to go. So if you're not a member yet, come and join us. We got day trade room, swing trade room, futures room, trade alerts, stock watch lists, thousands of dollars worth of courses. Guys, you want to know what to do? All right, if you're new and you're like, what the heck do I do? You know, join our community. come take our courses. This will keep you busy for a few months. If you don't know anything about trading, start on candlesticks, go to advanced candlesticks, go to stock trading, and then decide whether you want to be a day trade, swing trade, options trade. This is going to save you thousands of dollars, and it's going to keep you busy for months, right? No offense, but don't reach out asking for us to handhold and, you know, give you all the secrets of the stock market if you haven't taken our courses, right? You got to spend a few months. You want to know the secrets to the stock market? The secret of the stock market and becoming a good trader is freaking work your butt off and study for hours upon hours upon hours upon hours upon hours for months, if not a year plus. That's a secret. You want a secret to becoming a good trader? Study your butt off. Make hundreds of practice trades until you're comfortable. That's the secret to trading. You're not going to like that, some of you guys. But that's the reality. And so if you're not a member yet, click subscribe right over here. And we are only $10 per month or $99 a year. Again, we're going to be raising our membership rates in the next few weeks, couple weeks, maybe sooner, maybe probably next week or two. I don't know, something like that. But if you're paying $10 a month or $99 a year, we're going to grandfather you in. You will upgrade your membership. You won't pay any more. You'll be all good to go. So just lock in now. And then, again, any of you guys that decide not to at some point very soon, we're going to be raising our rates. So don't kick yourself for not locking in. So that's what I got for you guys. You have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you all tomorrow. Enjoy.